Is Google Flow not loading, crashing, or refusing to work in your browser? Before you waste time trying random fixes, let me show you the quickest solutions that can get Google Flow working again. Friends, welcome to my channel Techie Dialogue. Let's go into the video. First, you have to open your web browser. I'm using Chrome, so I'm going to open Chrome. Then you have to click on three dots on the right side. Then you have to click on settings. In Chrome setting, first we have to check Chrome update. It is full update or not. To do this, you have to click on about Chrome from the left panel. As you can see, my Chrome is up to date. Then you have to click on privacy and security from the left panel. Then you have to click on delete browsing data. Actually, through these settings, we have to delete our cookies and junk files. So you have to uncheck browsing history and download history. Then you have to click on show more. No need to tick other options. Just make sure that cooking and other site data and cache images and files, these two options should be clicked. Then you have to click on delete data. And another thing, you have to change the time duration. To change this, you have to click on more, and from the list you have to click on all time. Then you have to check your extensions. So again, you have to go to left panel and click on extensions. In extension, you have to disable each extension and try to flow is going to open or not. This is to sort out or find out which extension make problem to open the flow. Sometimes extensions make problem to open the flow. After find out the problem creating extension, you should deactivate that particular extension when you are going to use Google Flow. That's it, my friend. If you're going to follow these steps, you can use or you can get back again your flow, Google Flow. You can also try to open Google Flow in the other browser like Firefox, Microsoft Edge, etc. If one of these fixes solved your Google Flow problem, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone facing the same issues. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next tutorial. Till then, goodbye.